I think if अगर आप शादी होने वाली है ये वो, तो आपको ना ये इस चीज़ की ना फ़िक्र नहीं करनी चाहिए कि पैसे कहाँ से आएँगे और जो है ना उसके बाद सपोर्ट किस तरह होगा, ये वो सारा कुछ। अ, इस चीज़ के बेस पे आपको ना चीज़ें बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सेसिवली ना डिले नहीं करनी चाहिए, या and this is just my thought process. Like other people might have different, but one of my attending, he told me, he was a interventional cardiologist. उसने फिर cardiac imaging की उसने हार्वर्ड से, और सारा कुछ, he was a very very big post. बट वो कहता है कि यार मेरा जब पहला बच्चा पैदा हुआ ना, तो I was like 38 year old and I did not had that energy and all that, vigor to cater to that, and I thought that I missed a lot of I should have done it a lot earlier, और जो था ना तब मुझे ये एक्सपीरियंस जो था ना वो ज़्यादा मैं एन्जॉय कर सकता एंड ऑल दैट। Other than that, I would say कि it gets stressful a lot of times, but और कुछ वक़्त होते हैं जिस तरह आपने कहा कि एक ही सोच आपके दिमाग में चल-चल के तो वो इतना बड़ा मसला बन जाती है। And if you ever come to that point, I do not think that there is any shame in seeking for help, or seeing a psychiatrist or a psychologist or a life coach, or whatever it is for you, and get help. And but overall, just trust, God has a plan for you. And just trust that if you're working hard, you should have that trust कि in future जो है वो आप कहीं ना कहीं पहुंच जाओगे।
Okay. Thank you, yaar. Thank you very much for sharing this, Osama. This was beautiful. Anything that you would like to add before we wrap this up?
हाँ, आई वुड एक और चीज जो मैं ऐड करना चाहूंगा कि I did not know the role of even when I was doing my residency, कि जो नेशनल सोसाइटीज है ना, जैसे अमेरिकन कॉलेज ऑफ फिजिशियन है, या अमेरिकन अकेडमी ऑफ स्लीप मेडिसिन है, या अमेरिकन कॉलेज ऑफ कार्डियोलॉजी है, इनमें कितनी ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज हैं अर्ली करियर फिजिशियंस के लिए। उनकी इफ यू डू नॉट हैव अ mentor in your institution or something like that, you can utilize these organization to seek distant mentorship, और एक्चुअली उसमें बहुत ज्यादा जो है ना पर्सनल ग्रोथ के डिफरेंट जो है वो प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हैं, which unfortunately I did not know in the beginning of my residency, but later I realized and I got involved with it। और उसमें जो है ना मुझे एडवोकेसी का बहुत शौक है कि एक ना नेशनल लेवल पे एडवोकेसी करने का। तो luckily, right now I'm part of American Academy of Sleep Medicine Advocacy Committee, and we established the first sleep caucus in the United States Congress, so which will be now advocating for sleep problems. So be involved in advocacy activities. There are leadership activities, there are volunteer activities, there are community service activities, there are teaching activities, things like that. And I should say almost most of all of the residents, they are part of some national or regional society, something like that. You should really utilize that platform, because it leads to a lot of personal growth and mentorship. I'm also working with the American Thoracic Society अर्ली करियर वर्किंग ग्रुप है उनमें। तो उसमें यही है कि आपकी यू गेट अ लॉट ऑफ मेंटरशिप, लाइफ एडवाइस, गाइडेंस, थिंग्स लाइक दैट, व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू you get assigned a mentor, and whatever advice, financial, career wise, research, academics, any kind of advice you want, they would be happy to give it to you.